As a ROCAME student, those experiences were very valuable to me. It determined the course of my life.
ROCAME is an acronym. It stands for Region O, Council for the Advancement of Minorities in Engineering. These minorities are minorities that are underrepresented in the engineering, science, technology, and mathematics fields, careers today.
Our club would travel to DuPont and we would have an opportunity to engage with engineers that looked just like us, which gave us the ability to come to the conclusion that we could also become engineers.
We work with Corning, General Electric, Riegelwood Paper Company, which is international paper. Also, at one time, we worked with DuPont. So it's a partnership that includes not only industry and government, but the education system as well.
Bringing ROCAME to DC Virgo has afforded students an opportunity to also begin to tinker, not only with things, but their imagination, and to begin to see how engineering impacts their world and the world around them.
I teach engineering and I utilize a curriculum provided by an organization called Project Lead the Way. In my classes, we learn design and modeling, automation and robotics, as well as computer programming. So the fact that my students who are in my classes are also members of ROCAME, there's just this great transition into the club component of it. It helps to reinforce what they're learning in class, and then they get to go out and learn that they're competing against students in other schools.
The ROCAME Jamboree is a culmination of an entire year of activities and training and hard work by our students. On a Saturday morning here in Wilmington, we will bring together approximately 200 students, and they will compete for 4 hours in 12 different activities, which includes robotics, electro games, math tests, oratory speaking. They're all going on simultaneously.
Last year was our first time competing, and when I say my students walked in the door and they were hooked, they talked about this coming year's Jamboree when we left the Jamboree last year.
We're impacting our students at an early age. They're no longer waiting until they get to college to decide a major and decide what they want to do when they grow up. Students are coming to us at middle school level, 6th through 8th grade, and already having opportunities to have an impact on their life and the world around them.
ROCAME has definitely empowered me, not only on the level of the fact that I went into engineering and I'm an industrial engineer by degree, but also just the fact of some of the people that I know. I see them all over and they're always doing influential things, always trying to help people be better, and that has definitely empowered me to want to do the same.
I believe in what these particular organizations do to mold the lives of students of tomorrow.